Hi, Julian here from the SERP.net team. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of WhatRanksWhere, which is one of our most popular tools, and a tool that allows you to find keyword and topic IDs. With WhatRanksWhere, you will be able to check your search engine rankings or keyword positions, as well as discover the rankings of your competitors. In short, WhatRanksWhere analyzes Google's top 100 results and shows you what keywords or phrases any site ranks for. You can analyze your own sites, of course, as well as your client sites, competitor sites, and so on. You will find WhatRanksWhere in the keyword research category in the tools menu. Here we can see my history of past searches with the database I selected, type of search I ran, and number of results. To run a new search, click on the blue plus button located here. Enter the site name and website address, for example, SERP blog and SERP.com. Then select a database. You can choose between Google US, Google Canada, Google UK, and many other versions of Google. Then select the number of results you would like to get. This means you can get up to 500 results. By results, I mean the number of keywords. I'll select 1000, then select the search type, organic or paid. If you select organic, the system will check organic results. If you select PPC, it will check paid results. Pretty straightforward. Here you can choose to check the whole site or an exact URL, which will be the one you entered here. You can choose to view your results by position or traffic. You can also check the traffic value. This feature is currently in beta, as you can see. This will give you an estimation of the traffic value of each keyword. I'll talk about this in more detail in a moment. Finally, you can choose to only show keywords that rank outside the top 10, so between position 11 and position 100. If you tick this box, all keywords ranking in Google's top 10 will be excluded from your results, which means you will be left with keywords rankings 11s, 12s, and so on. You should tick this box if you want to find opportunities to get more keywords ranking on page 1. Imagine you have a few keywords ranking 11s or 12s. You just need to put in a bit more effort to get them to rank on page 1 and get more exposure. Please note that the number of credits you spend for a search depends on the number of results you want to get here. Then click on Check Now. Here are the results. Here we have the list of keywords and phrases the whole site or URL ranks for, with the ranking page, current position, previous position, and position difference. So if you run this search for your own site or client site, you might find keywords you did not know you ranked for and find keyword opportunities. For example, we rank 11th for this term. With a bit more work, we could probably enter the top 10 and get more exposure. And if you run this search for a competitor site, you might find plenty of keyword IDs, so keywords you can target as well, or even topic IDs for your blog, for example. Please note that these positions here can be a few days old, so don't consider them as today's exact positions. Then we have the search volume here, estimated traffic, cost per click, traffic value in percentage, traffic value in dollars, traffic cost in percentage, pay-per-click competition, number of results, and trend. This number here, traffic value, is the share of traffic driven to the site with this keyword. This number here, traffic cost, is a percentage of the site's total traffic cost that is attributed to this keyword. The trend here is quite interesting, as it shows the search volume over time. Here you can see the estimated traffic for the site. Please keep in mind, it's the estimated traffic generated by the keywords listed below only, and not the traffic generated by all keywords the site ranks for. We can also see the estimated traffic value, which is based on the estimated traffic and cost per click numbers. Again, this is just an estimation for the keywords listed below only, and not all the keywords the site ranks for. If you want more information about a specific keyword, you can click on it. This will launch our keyword analyzer tool, which provides you with a keyword difficulty score. That is, how hard it will be to rank for this keyword. You will also see some more metrics, as well as the top 10 results in Google for this keyword. That's a lot of information, which you can use to analyze your competition, find keyword and topic IDs, have an idea of how difficult it will be to rank for a keyword, and so on. Here you can search for a specific term, of course. You can, of course, sort this data by position, search volume, or other values. For example, here we have all our top positions. You can order by search volume as well. Finally, you can download this data in the form of a PFD, CSV, XLS, or ODS file. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly support team by clicking here and on Submit a Ticket.